Going and coming back is a lot, considering the fact that we are emotionally, psychologically affected by this. So we need these guys to hurry up so we can take our beloved home and give them a decent burial.
Tumeambiwa tufike hapa saa 2 na saa 2 tulikuwa hapa, ndio mambo ya postmortem na DNA zianze. Natisi wamechelewa, lakini kwa wakati huu wamefika, wako tayari, wako karibu kuanza. Ndio hiyo process ya DNA na postmortem ianze.
Process is now underway. Also the process of collecting DNA has begun. We are expecting that this process will take in the minimum 2 days, that is today and tomorrow, but depending on the state of the bodies, that process might take longer.